Land in India is more than just property. It's often intertwined with family history and emotion. This makes property disputes common and complex. Here's a guide to understanding the basics. Checking property ownership. Start with land records. These are maintained by the local revenue department. You can find details about ownership, size, and any encumbrances. Online portals are becoming increasingly common, making access easier. Resolving title disputes. If there's a question about who owns the land, legal action might be needed. A civil suit can be filed in the appropriate court. Evidence is crucial. Sale deeds, tax receipts, and even witness testimonies can support your claim. Property transfer and inheritance. Transferring property requires a registered sale deed. Inheritance is governed by personal laws, such as the Hindu Succession Act and Sharia and wills. A will dictates the distribution of property after death, overriding traditional inheritance laws. Obtaining a succession certificate. This legal document confirms who inherits property when someone dies without a will. It's issued by a competent court and is essential for transferring ownership. Navigating property laws can be difficult. Documents are often old and processes bureaucratic. Patience and meticulous record-keeping are key. Marriage and divorce in India are governed by personal laws based on religion. Understanding these laws is crucial for a legally sound union or separation. Marriage registration. While not always mandatory, registering your marriage is crucial. It provides legal proof of your union and safeguards rights, especially for women. Interfaith marriages are registered under the Special Marriage Act. Grounds for divorce laws differ for various religions. Generally accepted grounds include adultery, cruelty, desertion, conversion, and mental illness. The process can be lengthy and emotionally draining. Alimony and child custody. The court may order alimony payments to the spouse requiring financial support. Child custody is decided based on the child's best interests. Shared custody is gaining acceptance, ensuring both parents remain involved. Asset division. During a divorce, assets acquired during the marriage are usually divided equally. This includes property, savings, and even debts. Prenuptial agreements outlining asset division are becoming increasingly common, especially in urban areas. Emotions often run high during marital disputes. Seeking legal counsel and mediation can help navigate the process with less acrimony and ensure a fair outcome. India has comprehensive labor laws to protect employees' rights. Being aware of these laws is crucial, whether you're starting a new job or facing workplace issues. Unfair termination. Laws protect employees from arbitrary dismissal. Termination without proper notice, valid reason, or following due process is considered unfair. Employees can challenge such termination in labor courts. Workplace harassment. India has a law against sexual harassment at work. It mandates employers to create a safe environment and address complaints. Victims of harassment can seek redressal through an internal complaints committee or approach the court. Unpaid wages. Employees have the right to timely payment of wages. Non-payment or delayed payment can be challenged legally. Labor courts can order employers to pay dues with interest. Employment contracts and non-compete clauses. Having a written employment contract is essential. It outlines terms of employment, preventing future disputes. Non-compete clauses, restricting employees from joining competitors after leaving, are enforceable within reasonable limits. Knowing your rights is crucial in any work environment. If you face issues, document everything, seek advice from labor unions or legal professionals, and be prepared to assert your rights. As consumers, we have rights that protect us from unfair trade practices and defective products. Understanding these rights empowers us to seek redressal when needed. Defective products and services. The Consumer Protection Act guarantees compensation for defective goods or deficient services. This includes manufacturing defects, misleading advertisements, and unfair terms and conditions. The complaint process. Consumers can approach consumer courts for redressal. The process involves filing a complaint, presenting evidence, and attending hearings. Many cases are resolved through mediation, providing quicker and more amicable solutions. E-commerce and consumer rights. The rise of online shopping has brought new challenges. Laws now cover online transactions, ensuring consumer protection for online purchases, digital payments, and data privacy. Asserting your consumer rights is crucial to ensure fair treatment. Remember to always collect receipts, communicate grievances with sellers, and escalate issues to consumer forums if necessary. Interacting with the criminal justice system can be daunting. Knowing your rights and the legal procedures can empower you during these situations. An FIR, or First Information Report, is the first step in a criminal case. It's a written document filed with the police detailing the crime. The police are obligated to register an FIR upon receiving information about a cognizable offense. You have the right to remain silent during a police investigation. Any statement made can be used against you in court. You also have the right to legal counsel and to be informed about the charges against you. Bail allows a person accused of a crime to be released from custody during the trial. The court grants bail based on the nature of the offense, the accused's criminal history, and the likelihood of tampering with evidence or influencing witnesses. The legal process can be complex and intimidating. It's crucial to stay calm, cooperate with the authorities while asserting your rights, and seek legal counsel immediately if you're accused of a crime. Section 6. The Digital Frontier, Understanding Cyber Law and Online Safety. With increasing reliance on technology, cybercrime is on the rise. Understanding cyber laws and safeguarding yourself online is crucial in today's digital age. Reporting online fraud. If you're a victim of online fraud, report it immediately to the cybercrime cell of the police. Provide all evidence, including transaction details, emails, and screenshots. Key aspects of cyber laws. India's IT Act addresses various cybercrimes, including hacking, phishing, online defamation, and data theft. Penalties for cybercrimes are stringent, including imprisonment and hefty fines. Online safety tips. Protect yourself online by using strong passwords, being cautious about sharing personal information, and avoiding suspicious links or emails. Keep your software updated and be wary of phishing attempts. The digital world requires vigilance. Stay informed about online threats, report cybercrimes promptly, and adopt safe online practices to protect yourself and your data. Section 7. The lawyer question, to hire or not to hire. Navigating legal issues can be overwhelming. While some situations allow for self-representation, others necessitate seeking professional legal help. Pros of hiring a lawyer. Lawyers bring expertise, experience, and objectivity to your case. They understand legal intricacies, can build a strong case, and represent your best interests in court. Cons of hiring a lawyer. Legal representation can be expensive. Finding a trustworthy and competent lawyer can also be challenging. Self-representation. This is an option for simpler legal matters. However, it requires thorough legal research, understanding procedures, and presenting your case effectively. Choosing whether to hire a lawyer depends on the complexity of the issue, your personal comfort level, and the potential consequences. For complex legal matters, seeking professional help is usually advisable. Section 8. Justice, Evolving Improvements and Reforms in the Indian Legal System. While the Indian legal system faces criticism for its backlog of cases and delays, significant improvements and reforms are underway. Increased use of technology, e-filing of cases, virtual hearings, and online access to judgments are making the justice system more accessible and efficient. Legal literacy programs. Initiatives by NGOs and government bodies are raising legal awareness among citizens, empowering them to understand and assert their rights. Alternative dispute resolution. Mediation and arbitration are being promoted as alternatives to litigation, offering faster and more amicable solutions to disputes. These reforms aim to make the legal system more efficient, accessible, and citizen-centric. While challenges remain, these positive changes are steps towards a more just and equitable society. Section 9. Beyond the courtroom. Exploring mediation and arbitration. Litigation can be time-consuming, expensive, and adversarial. Mediation and arbitration offer alternative dispute resolution mechanisms that focus on collaboration and finding mutually acceptable solutions. Mediation. A neutral third party facilitates communication, helps parties understand each other's perspectives, and guides them towards a mutually agreeable solution. Arbitration. A neutral arbitrator hears both sides and makes a binding decision to resolve the dispute. This process is more structured than mediation and resembles a simplified court procedure. Benefits of ADR. Both methods offer faster resolution, cost-effectiveness, confidentiality, and preservation of relationships compared to traditional court battles. In an era seeking amicable solutions, mediation and arbitration are gaining popularity. They provide a less adversarial and more efficient way to resolve disputes, preserving relationships, and promoting harmonious resolutions.